Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, August 13th. So, what's on the docket today? According to forexfactory.com, we have core PPI month over month and PPI month over month. We also have FOMC member Bostic speaking. That's it for today, but PPI is important. So, exactly what is PPI? So if you are on this website, you go over here and you click on this, it gives you a brief description. It's a change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers. Okay, so it is a leading indicator of consumer inflation. When producers charge more for goods and services, the higher costs are usually passed on to the consumer. So this being negative is a good thing. That means prices are potentially going down. And of course, the market loves that because inflation going down means that interest rates might be able to go down. And so we had a reaction by the market, obviously to the upside. However, it has subsequently neutralized to a certain degree. But I want to say that September, this is for a September rate cut. So I'm going to go to the CME site that tracks the interest rates expectations. And this is for the September meeting. There's a 48% chance, a quarter point. There's a 51.5% chance. That'll be a half a point. Now, I am going to step out and say that means that 100% of economists and whoever they're measuring this by are expecting at least a quarter point, if not more. Now, I would also say that because we're in an election year, the Fed is going to do everything it can not to do anything before the election. So I actually think that they're not going to do anything until the November meeting. Now, the November meeting, they may actually do a lot more. And if we go to the November meeting, we're actually seeing 3/4 of a point coming into play. So that's kind of interesting there. But I think from a political perspective, the Fed does not want to look like it's on one side or another. So it's probably going to do nothing until after the election. That's my 2 cents worth. That being said, let's take a look at some charts. We are gapping up. This will be the fourth day in a row. We are trying very hard to get back up into another leg to the upside. I think this bounce move, we need to consolidate some before we make another move to the upside, but it is moving up. So where could it go? I think it could go to that area right there, 54.30, maybe up to that low volume node, 54.50. On the downside, if we go down, I think we'll retest the lows from a couple of days ago, which would be 53.21. If we break 5,300, it is ugly, and all bets are off. So there you go. Volume absolutely anemic from yesterday. You can see the declining volume over this big move to the upside. To me, that's saying the move to the upside is, you know what, a bunch of junk, and we're going to go down again because there's no volume confirmation. That being said, we'll have to wait and see. Intraday movement, inventory, we were slightly up on price action yesterday. We were up big on inventory. About 17,000 additional contracts were created. So those are correlated, nothing to worry about. I have nothing to say there. Overnight action, we've got approximately 42 points of overnight action. Where our support resistance at 54.14, some confluence around 54.22, the whole number of 54.30, 54.50, and there's a lot of confluence around 54.60. Support, on the other hand, 53.50 is definitely a line in the sand. Another spot is 53.24. 5,300 is really, there's some minor levels in between, but those are the main numbers that we're looking at. Stock Traders Almanac 42.9, 42.9. So a negative expectancy today from the Stock Traders Almanac. It is what it is. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.